Hi everyone, introducing a new jacket to the Regatta range. It is the Rawson and has polyester taffeta lining. It features Regatta's waterproof and breathable membrane. It has tape seams and is treated with durable water repellent. It features Regatta's Thermoguard synthetic insulation, an inner baffle panel with stand collar, and adjustable cuffs with adjustable drawcord waist, it has an internal security pocket, front zip with button press storm flap, two lower patch pockets with hand warmer pockets behind and two zipped chest pockets. Faux leather trim detailing, a hidden hood with adjusters, and back vents with stud fastenings. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.